You're currently selling on Etsy and you want to know how to scale and expand that business so you can get your products in front of more people and generate more sales extremely quickly, then you are absolutely going to love today's video. I'm going to show you how you can cross-post or cross-list your items to several different marketplaces with the push of a button, and vice versa if you're on the other platforms such as eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, and you want to expand and quickly get those to other marketplaces without having to go to each one and make those individual listings, then you are definitely going to want to stay tuned for today's video. We're going to have a lot of fun, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can blast your products out all over the internet to generate a ton of more sales. Guys, Angie here, and on this channel I make videos about super simple and fun ways to make money from home. So be sure to smash that subscribe button right now, turn on that bell notification so you never miss a video that I release on how to make money. And as you know, if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you so much. I totally love your guys' very supportive comments. Those keep me going, and I'm always excited to upload brand new content for you. If you have any questions as we go along here, be sure to leave those down below. And remember, always be kind. In today's video, we are going to be using a software called Vendoo, which is a cross-posting software that is going to allow you to, say, take an item from your Etsy store and blast it out to all of these other fantastic marketplaces such as Mercari, Poshmark, tradesy, depop, grailed, right? All of these fantastic marketplaces, you are going to be able to, with the push of a button, get those out in front of a ton more eyeballs to generate a ton more sales. And this is going to save you so much time from having to individually log into each marketplace, write out each listing, which would take you hours upon hours to do. This software is going to be priceless for saving you time and increasing those profits. And if you are on the other marketplaces, then that is also going to help you to branch out as well. So I do want to thank Vendoo for sponsoring today's video, and as you guys know, I only share tools with you on this channel that I personally use in my business and help me to grow my business, so in turn I know that they will greatly benefit you as well. I'm going to do a full tutorial today on how you can do this literally right now and start generating, more traffic to your products and more sales. I am going to leave a link directly below in this video that is going to give you a discount on your first month using Vendoo. So I know you're absolutely going to love that, and it's going to help you get off to a great start. So don't forget to click that link in the description to save yourself a little bit of money. Without further delay, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. All right, so once you have set up your Vendoo account through the link in the description to save yourself 25%, then you're going to log in and come to a page that looks like this. You're going to see all of the different marketplaces that you can connect this software to. We have eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Mercari, grailed, depop, tradesy, and kidizen. So they're also always adding new marketplaces because they know how important that is for you to be able to expand your business and continue to keep growing, right? So the more marketplaces that you can get your products out to, the more sales that you're going to be able to generate. So as you see here, as of right now, I have Mercari and Poshmark active. Those are lit up green right here and says active. And then if it's not connected yet, it's just going to say not connected. So let me go ahead and show you how simple this is. We're going to connect eBay. And let me read you this right here. This is what it's going to say once it is connected. You're all set. We have successfully connected to your Poshmark account without needing access to your login information. You just need to stay logged in another tab. So I currently have Poshmark and Mercari open in two separate tabs, so those are connected and active. So we're going to go ahead and connect eBay. We're going to click there, and this is going to say grants application access to Vendoo. You're just going to click agree. And that is going to bring you back to Vendoo, and it is going to show that it is active and connected. So you can go through, connect every single account that you would like. If you don't have accounts with some of these yet, such as Depop or Tradesy or Kidizen, then you can just go to their main website right here. It has their main website, tradesy.com, kidizen.com. Depop, and then you can set up those accounts, have those opened in a different window, and then come back here and click connect, and then you will be all set to go ahead and get those items blasted out very quickly and efficiently to all of these marketplaces. There is a tutorial video down here below as well if you need to reference that in the future, but you can just follow along with me right here. Now let's go ahead and move along to the next step to start listing items. All you have to do is click get started, and then you can see I do have one item listed here. All you have to do then is click right here, new item, or you can even come over here and click create listing as well with this little plus symbol. Then you're going to upload your images. All you have to do, if you have the images on your desktop, is click here to upload them from your desktop. Now, if you have a full Etsy store like I do, you can just click right here to import the listings from your Etsy store. So you're not going to have to go through and list all of those all over again. You can just simply import from Etsy, from Poshmark, from Mercari, from eBay. Once you have all of the photos uploaded here, you can go ahead and type in your title. Type in your title there, type in your description. You want to put as many details as possible so that the customer knows what they're purchasing. You can fill in the brand here, and then you can fill in the condition right here. So if you have been selling on Etsy and you are doing new items, you can put new. If you're, say, selling things strictly on like Poshmark, Mercari, you want to make sure that the condition is accurate. So you can do pre-owned. Primary color, you want to fill all of these details in, and then you can put your zip code, where you are shipping from, and you can put your tags. So and then you can select your category. So we'll do a jewelry for this particular item, and fine jewelry for this. So you want to make sure that you fill in as many details as possible, and then you want to put in your package dimensions and your listing price. And then you can simply hit save to save that to your inventory. If you want to go ahead and select the marketplace to list it on, you can go ahead and select, say, Mercari. And then that is going to allow you to list it on Mercari unless you have some errors like I do. So it says, please save general details first. Your description needs to be at least 5 words and missing the buyer shipping information. So we're going to scroll back up and make sure that we edit all of this to fill out a full description as they want us to list on Mercari. So diamond stud earrings, DM me any questions. So we can say new with tags, ships same day or next if purchased after 1 p.m. Okay, so we did more of a description, and here you want to select, should you offer your buyers free shipping? I would select yes. Once you have all of your details set on here, you've selected all of your shipping details, you've gone through, you've checked to make sure your categories are correct, your description and everything, then you can go ahead and click to list on Mercari. Okay, so you can see that is listing. And once it is finished, it's going to say your item is listed. So you can go ahead and view your listing here. And there it is live. So you can come back and then you can click for the same item to be listed onto Poshmark, and it's going to highlight any of the areas that you need to fill in, and it's telling me that it's missing a category. So then we're going to go ahead and select the category. Okay, and then it says I can go ahead and list on Poshmark. So, and boom, just like that, it is listed on Poshmark. So we're going to hop over here. There it is live. So this is going to save you so much time from going in, logging into every account individually, writing out the description so many times, and it's going to allow you to just go boom, 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 boom to each different marketplace and get that up and live in under 5 minutes. So on the inventory page right here, you can see the items that you have listed inside of Vendoo. You can also get there right here where it says inventory. So you can click on your item here and you can scroll down, and we'll click on Mercari, and you can click delist on Mercari. So let's say you have items listed in several marketplaces and you've sold those items in different marketplaces. You can click to delist that. So we can just click delist. Are you sure you want to delist this? So that basically means it is going to have it no longer listed for sale on Mercari, and it will be removed from the Vendoo inventory. So we're going to click confirm. So as you can see, it is delisting, and the item is delisted. At that point then, if for some reason you get in more inventory, then you can go ahead and click relist, and then that's going to go ahead and put it back up for sale on Mercari or any of the other marketplaces that you want as you click through here. So we'll go ahead and do this one. We're going to delist this on Poshmark, and it is delisted. Instead of delisting an item, you can also mark the item as sold, and you will get this little box that says, are you sure you want to change the status to sold? When changing to sold, we delist your item from other marketplaces. So you just hit confirm and you are all set. Your item is sold. So that way, if you are listed on all of these platforms, you don't have to go and update every single platform. It can no longer be for sale in the marketplace. So we can go back to our inventory right here at the top left, and you can see now I have 2 drafts. So these are not live on the marketplaces, but if I do want to make them live again, you saw the process to go back in and relist those. Now, if you want to import your listings from one of your marketplaces, you're going to click here, and then you can import everything. So let's go ahead and select Poshmark. And we're going to wait for this to load up all of the items. So we have 4 items here, and I'm just going to click on all 4 of these, and then I'm going to click import 4 items, and that is going to go ahead and start importing, and we're just going to wait a few minutes. Once it is completely done importing your items, you can go straight to your inventory. You can see everything listed there, and then you do the same process. You can go back through, you can see all of the details of the item, and so we can fill in any missing pieces and then click on Mercari, and we can enter our zip code here, and we can select the shipping, prepaid label, and we will do USPS. Okay, so then it will go ahead and let us list this item that is currently listed on Poshmark straight to Mercari. So we're going to click list, And there you go, just like that, all of your information was pulled in from Poshmark and quickly listed straight to Mercari. And then you just have to go back through and click on your other marketplaces to go ahead and list on those marketplaces. If there are any errors for that particular marketplace, it's going to show you them all right here. You can go back and fix each section and then click list. It is really that simple, and it's going to save you so much time. If you are currently selling on Etsy or any of these other marketplaces, this tool is going to be priceless for your business, because you're going to literally be able to 8 times your results by having your products listed in 8 different marketplaces and counting, right? They are constantly adding new marketplaces to help you grow, expand, and scale your business. So I hope you are as excited as I am about this tool and just really branching out all over the internet with your business. So if you enjoyed today's video, if you got a ton of value of this, be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. You know, if you love today's video or if you have any questions, I definitely want to hear from you. And I also want to know, are you listing your products on multiple marketplaces right now? Are you doing that? Because if you're not, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. So this is Angie signing out, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys back soon.